We all know the feeling of wanting a quick escape after a long day, and what better way to unwind that by gently swaying in a comfy swing chair surrounded by the beauty of your garden. Before we dive into specific designs, let's talk about the different types of swing chairs available. Knowing your options will help you choose the one that best suits your style and needs. Classic wooden swing, this timeless design evokes childhood memories and offers a touch of nostalgia. It is perfect for families and readily available in various sizes and finishes. Hanging chair, pod swing. These cocoon like chairs offer ultimate privacy and relaxation. They come in various materials like wicker, rattan, or macrame and often have a single seat configuration. Hammock swings. These provide a truly laid back lounging experience. They are good for napping or reading a book. Look for options with a stand or choose one designed for hanging between trees. Hanging bench swings. These combine the comfort of a bench with the gentle swaying motion, good for entertaining or enjoying a conversation with a friend. DIY swings. For the crafty souls, consider building your own swing. Repurpose old pallets for a rustic look or get creative with rope and a sturdy wooden frame. Now that you know the different types of swings, here are some factors to consider when making your choice. Space. Measure your garden to ensure the swing has enough clearance for swaying and would not obstruct walkways or other features. Materials. Choose weather resistant materials like treated wood, metal, or synthetic fibers. Consider the weight capacity as well. Style. Match the swing to your overall garden aesthetic. Opt for classic wood for a rustic feel or go modern with sleek metal or wicker. Functionality. Think about how you will use the swing. Do you want a single seat for quick movements or a larger one for entertaining? Comfort. This is key. Look for cushions or padding for added comfort, especially on swings with hard surfaces. Let's get creative. Here are some inspirational design ideas for your garden swing chair. The Bohemian Space. Embrace a carefree vibe with a macrame hanging chair or a colorful woven pod swing. Decorate with patterned throws, dream catchers, and wind chimes for a boho chic ambience. The Family Fun Zone. Invest in a spacious wooden swing or hanging bench good for family gatherings. Add bright cushions. The Tropical Oasis. Transform your garden into a mini space with a vibrant hammock swing. Surround it with lush greenery. Add tropical plants like banana palms and decorate with colorful outdoor rugs and throw pillows. The Minimalist Space. For a sleek and modern look, choose a minimalist metal swing chair with clean lines. Opt for neutral colored cushions and keep the surrounding area clutter free. Let's elevate your swing chair experience with some pro tips. Cushions and throws. Invest in weather resistant cushions and throws for ultimate comfort. Choose colors and patterns that complement your garden style. Canopy or umbrella. Consider adding a canopy or umbrella for shade during sunny days. This can also offer protection.